The mystery of "In My Name" unraveled. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the phrase, "in my name." By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it. "In my name" can be understood in two primary ways: literal and figurative. 1. Literal meaning, when you do something in someone's name, you're doing it on their behalf or representing them. For example, if you sign a letter in someone else's name, you are signing it as if you were that person. 2. Figurative meaning, often found in religious or formal contexts. This can mean doing something under the authority or guidance of someone. An example could be, "They gathered in my name," suggesting gathering with a shared purpose or belief. Understanding is clearer with examples. Let's see the phrase, "in my name," in action. 1. On behalf. He booked the hotel room in my name, meaning the reservation is under that person's name. 2. Religious context. Where 2 or 3 are gathered in my name, there am I with them. This suggests a spiritual presence when people come together with a shared religious purpose. Be cautious. There are a few common mistakes learners make with this phrase. 1. On my name. Sometimes, people might say, "on my name," instead of "in my name." Remember, "in my name" is the correct usage for representing someone or something. 2. Not a physical place. "In my name" does not refer to a physical location. It's not like saying, "in my house." It's more about representation or authority. And there you have it. Now, whenever you come across or want to use the phrase, "in my name," you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. Happy learning, and we hope this video has been enlightening.